Hello race fans, sim fans, RC fans, Racing 393. Another video on my RC10GT by Team Associated. Haven't done many videos over the last week or so. Been a bit hot, to be honest, here in the UK. And I'm kind of been busy at work, you know, so I haven't had the time that I would like to have to take the RC cars out. But I have been working on the RC10, the GT, and just to give you a little bit of an update, if you watched my last video, the annoying thing was my GoPro was attached to my hat. I think I must have set it at the wrong angle. I don't think it moved because it was tight, so I can only blame myself. It filmed the floor basically, which is really annoying. But the car went really well. You could hear it in the video if you was watching the video and you was actually watching past the point when I was running the car. It sounded really good. The only thing was, because the way this is set up now this is a pretty standard RC10GT. It's a blue chassis with the original engine. Everything's pretty much original apart from the shocks, and I changed it away from the truck design. I was never overly sold on the truck body and the sort of the sticking out wheels as per truck. And what I decided to do was to get rid of the body itself, put a buggy body on there, which is what you can see before you, and a rear wing. So it's a little bit more like what a four-wheel drive Kaisho MP such and such would be. Now, this is two-wheel drive, so it isn't going to be on par with the Kaisho MP buggies. However, because of the weight distribution, I'm just going to show you the back. You can see the back wing is actually quite far back. There's too many backs in that sentence. The back wing overhangs. The rear wing overhangs. I did a script. So what I think, and also if you look at the back, if I just spin it around, in there, the battery pack. It doesn't have to go there, but that's kind of where it's designed to go. So you've got a lot more weight over the rear of the car. Rear-wheel drive, so all the weight's in the back. There's nothing on the front. So when you sort of give it full power, full beans, it picks up nicely on that new gearing, but it tends to lift the front wheels, almost not over wheelie type, but enough so that if you had to turn under full power, I don't know whether it would actually be any good. Even when you don't dump the throttle, you can kind of ease it in, but as soon as you get on full power and the torque, the motor comes in, the gearing, the speed goes up, it lifts the front wheels. Not a lot, but enough. It wasn't doing it before. I think it's only done that since I put the new gearing on, so it's probably going a little bit quicker. So what I'm going to try to do, what I have been working on now is, where should I start on this? I'm not a huge fan of this particular upgrade or update. It's not on the RC10 GT range, as it wouldn't be. It's not on as far as I'm thinking up the Kaisho buggy Nitro full drive range. It's not on them either. They're a lot heavier, and the weight distribution is perhaps more inclined to being across the chassis. It's because it's got a front differential, front gearbox, etc. So I've installed a front wing on this car to hopefully to see, one, does the downforce work on an RC car, which it should do, and will it work on this car? So I'm going to spin it round, and hopefully you can see this. So there, it's off a 1/10 buggy. It's actually I'm trying to think, I think it's a JC Concept wing, and it's for the 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, the team associated buggies, indoor, outdoor buggies, you know, the ones that are coming up now, the new ones. A lot of those have front wings on, for the very reason for stability, I guess. So we're going to try this out with the front wing. I'll do a little bit more of a close-up here. It's just a cut-out Lexan wing, you know, so I quite like the shape of it. And it should work. There's not a lot of weight in the front of the car, so any air pressure that's pushing down on that will have some effect. Now I've made it so that it is adjustable. I don't know if I can show this, it's going to be awkward. I might just see if I can move the camera. So in there, you see that hex crosshead screw? Well, if I undo that, I can move that post up and down, and there's two of them, there's one on the other side. The wing's actually body posted into position. I have made a bit of a faux bar on it. I mean, it's not dead straight. It is straight now, but it wasn't straight when I first put it on. It's not too bad. It's not. There's not as much movement there as you think. But I suppose, looking at the camera, it's not that straight. It was really difficult actually, because I was trying to measure it with. Well, without anything actually, I was just trying to freehand it. It wasn't really working. I need to trim the plastic there at the front. It overhangs there a little bit. That's not much of a problem. I can Dremel that out. That's irrelevant. I'm not going to do that on camera. It's just me tidying it up. But it's basically trying the wing. It can go up another, about as much as what it is again, because those posts sit down below the front bumper there, and they can move up. Like I say, I've got another screw on the other side, which you can probably see actually. Let me just move the car. Just make out in there, it's just there. So those screws hold the posts at a certain height. So it should work. So I'm going to make sure I've got the camera set correctly this time, as it was well annoying that it didn't last time. So you can actually see. We'll try it without the wing. It won't be in this video because I'm not in any position at the moment to take the car out, but I might have in a few days time have some bit of free time to take it out. I'll see, but this video is just explaining what I've done and what I've been up to. There was a couple of videos that I did as shorts, just to sort of give you an idea of what I was up to. So that's basically it. I haven't done anything else. I'm trying to think, what else have I done? I did strip the engine and done all the carb linkage, which I explained in my other video. And it's just ready to be charged up and go. I'm just literally now, I'm not going to show you now, but I'm going to tell you I've got this metal heat shield stick-on heat deflector. I'm literally going to put that on this side of the body, underneath here, and perhaps a bit on top. It gets a lot of heat from that exhaust, and I just want to sort of cover it up with some reflective, protective exhaust shield, if you like. And apart from that, that's it. So next time we'll get this out, the next video. So this will be the last chatty video, and then we'll see if my aerodynamic idea works. Like I say, we'll try it without. I can just unpin it, give it a go. Hopefully, I'll show you this time what it's doing, and then we'll put the wing on and try again. If it doesn't work, then the answer is downforce doesn't work in RC. Right, I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for all the people that are following. Got 100, well, at the time of when I last looked, 181 followers. It's quite a lot for me. So I do appreciate it. It is a, you know, it gives you some incentive to keep on trying. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.